Technological prowess innovation at your fingertips. BMW has always been at the forefront of automotive technology, and the M Series showcases the brand's commitment to innovation. From advanced powertrain technologies to cutting-edge driver assistance systems, M cars are packed with features designed to enhance performance, safety, and convenience. The iDrive infotainment system, with its intuitive interface and crisp graphics, provides seamless control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Driver assistance features such as lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking provide an extra layer of safety and peace of mind. The price of performance ownership considerations. While the performance and luxury of a BMW M car are undeniable, owning one comes with certain considerations. The initial purchase price is significantly higher than that of a standard BMW model. Fuel economy is also a factor to consider, as these high-performance engines are thirstier than their more pedestrian counterparts. Maintenance and repair costs can also be higher, reflecting the complexity of these sophisticated machines. However, for many enthusiasts, the thrill of driving an M car far outweighs any potential drawbacks. The M community, a brotherhood of driving enthusiasts. Owning a BMW M car is more than just owning a car. It's about becoming part of a community. M enthusiasts are a passionate group, united by their love for driving and their appreciation for these exceptional machines. From track days to car shows to online forums, there are countless opportunities for M owners to connect with like-minded individuals, share their passion, and experience the joy of driving together. This sense of community adds another layer of enjoyment to owning an M car.